We grow from what we know. From knowing to growing is our mandate. Unfortunately today, Shaitan puts us in a vortex where we have a lot of movement. We listen to a lot of lectures. We come to a lot of Islamic events. We're moving a lot, but rarely do we progress. And there's a difference between movement and progress. A rocking horse moves, right? But it doesn't progress, right? And we got to ask ourselves these questions. How many khutbahs have we listened to? But how much have we grown as a result of last week's khutbah? How many lectures have I listened to? But how have I grown as a result of that lecture? I traveled to different places. Communities are pointing fingers at the imams, at the masajid, pointing fingers at the du'at, at the scholars. Look at the problems around us. Look at the problems with our youth. Curriculum changes affecting them. Society affecting them. Peer pressure affecting them. So on and so forth. And we're not discounting these realities. These realities do exist. But my message to those who point fingers is never forget the three fingers pointing back at you. What have you done to raise a son that will be a model husband, so his marriage is not a problem for the imam tomorrow? What have you done to raise a model daughter, so her marriage is not a problem for the imam tomorrow? So that her children are raised in a way that those children are a solution for their society and not a problem for their society. So that those children are an opportunity for society and not an obstacle for society. It's always three fingers pointing back, right? So with this reality, brothers and sisters in Islam, we need to have that meeting.